Hello, welcome to a new video. Here I'm comparing an early Ambassador 6000 with a Record 6000. Let's start with this left hand side plate. So first, of course, you see that the other one is having the Abu branding on top, and the other one has the Record. Next difference is that this Abu Ambassador 6000 has this flat, this control screw, and this Record has this small hole in that one. Also my 5000 Record has similar feature. Basically both are missing no serial in either. No serial here. And no serial in the Record either. One thing that you can clearly see, I don't know, let's say, what is explaining, but I think also my Record 5000, the color seemed to be much darker. So very dark red on the Record and quite light red on the Abu version. Then there is one very interesting feature on the right hand side which I didn't know, so let me turn this around. So unfortunately this Record 6000 has the handle is broken, but I think that it is how it is. Unless, by the way, I don't know, is it? Let me check. So yes, it seems that for some reason this Abu branded Trios has this marking on this right hand side, but no marking then on the, well, it has. So the Record 6000 has the marking on both of the side plates, that throwing brake, and the Abu one has only other side. But what is interesting is that you see that this, let me try to show. So that handle, the balancing side of the handle is very close to the middle, and you see that it is beveled, so it is not straight. So if you compare to this early 6000, it is straight. So basically, and I did see one item, one Record 6000 in eBay, and basically it is having a handle like this. So it is possible that it has been replaced, or I don't know, is it then some later model, but at least the early Record 6000s, what I did also see some examples there were that all had this beveled handle, this balancing part. So seems that this is quite early version. but basically also here you see that the color difference is quite clear. And as you can see, otherwise this is in a very clean condition, just that the handle is broken. And well, it wasn't very cheap, but it wasn't expensive either. And I think that the value comes more from the history than the condition for me. And in the next video I will open these, at least a little bit, and show, for example, the spool. By the way, I did there was some very good web page with lot of information, and it is saying that there is really differences between these spool colors, that some of the very early models have the whole spool color is gray. This has only the center gray, similarly than this early Ambassador 6000, but that you will see in the next video. So thank you for watching.